Stop scrolling. If you are looking for the ultimate lazy meal prep that doesn't compromise on flavor, you have found it. We are about to dive into making iconic Greek gyros using just your oven. This isn't just a gyro recipe, it's your ticket to stress-free, delicious dinner for weeks. Prepare the marinade. 3 tablespoons of gyros seasoning, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, juice from half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Mix everything and set it aside. Prepare the meat. For this recipe you need a fattier cut of meat such as pork neck or shoulder. Cut the meat against the grain into thin slices about half a centimeter thick. Tenderize the meat. Add meat to the marinade, mix well and leave to marinate for at least 24 hours. Cut 2 to 3 potatoes in half. They will serve as the base for the gyros. Then take a metal skewer and pierce a hole in the center of each potato. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. Put a wooden skewer with a sharp tip into each hole. Prepare a deep baking tray. Place half folded aluminum foil inside. Place the potatoes with wooden skewers. Prepare the marinated meat which you took out of the fridge at least 1 hour before skewering. Start skewering the meat. The trick is to make sure that each slice is skewered with as many skewers as possible. The size of the gyros and the length of the wooden skewers depend on the size of your oven. You can't have a meter-high gyros if it won't fit in your oven. That makes sense, right? Press the meat down regularly so that everything fits on the skewers. Once you have skewered the meat, cover it with aluminum foil. Place the prepared gyros in the oven at 180 Celsius for 1.5 hours. After an hour and a half, bake for another 30 minutes. Reduce the size of the aluminum foil so that it only covers the top of the gyros, preventing it from burning and drying out. The meat will release juice, so I recommend regularly basting it with a little water to create a sauce that can be basted over the gyros. Meanwhile, slice the tomatoes. Chopped iceberg lettuce, during the last phase I didn't add much water to the meat and a lot of the juice burned. Nevertheless, the gyros is ready. Take a sharp knife and trim the browned edges on all sides. You can chop all the meat or put the gyros in the oven to brown more the edges. Do you like Mediterranean cuisine? Let me know what's your favorite meal. We will make gyros. Everything is stuffed into pita bread or on pita bread which is folded over. The filling is tzatziki, vegetables, meat and possibly French fries. And if you want to have a salad with your gyros, I recommend Greek salad. You can find the recipe on my channel. If you haven't seen my videos on how to make pita bread or tzatziki, you can find those videos in the description below or on the screen in cards.